Hi guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you will be looking at how you can scalp volatility 75 index on the lower time frames. I have this 75 on the daily time frame, which is a higher time frame. We are going to look at what has happened on the higher time frames first before we go straight to the lower time frames. Okay, and see how we can scalp at some point. Okay, on the higher time frame, like the daily time frame, which is displayed on the screen, we have uh, a bullish structure in the sense that we have a low here, we have high, now we have a higher low. Okay, it's a higher low. Now this high is the structure, okay, and it got broken. We have a break of structure to the top side, break of structure to the upside around here. We had a retracement, then price went up, retraced, then price finally went up, but the break of structure occurred around here because this is the high for the bullish structure. Now price broke up and stopped around here for us to have higher high. So when you see the chart and you start to have price forming a higher low, as in this low is higher than this low, higher low, and then price forms a higher high and starts to form another higher low, because I'm sensing, I'm thinking this point we have a higher low here. Okay, so if price is able to break above this point, which is the 406.265 area, and price will head for this area, which is where we have the higher high, and a break of the higher high around this point 460.472, a break of that point to the top side, then we might be having another break of structure for price to continue to go up. Okay, but on the daily time frame, what I can see now is price is ranging in the last 5 days. Okay, this is our range bottom, and this is the range top. Okay, it's the range top. If price is able to break above the range top, we should be having a breakout, and price is expected to go to the top. Okay, but if price drops below the low around here, then we'll confirm that it's a reversal, and by that time, if price drops, we'll now be having something like this. Not like price go up and then drop this way. Okay, and that will confirm that the bearish structure has started to form. But for now, the structure is bullish. Okay, we'll see what happens after the breakout of this range. Will it be a liquidity sweep to the upside first, then sweep to the downside, then go up? What do I mean by liquidity sweep? Liquidity is where you have stop losses. Now, will price sweep the stop loss, okay, at the top here, and then drops to sweep the stop losses at the bottom before going up? Are we going to see that? Only time can tell. Okay, that's the daily time frame. Let's run through the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see the formation of a double bottom, a double bottom formation. Okay, price from the bottom here, I'm sensing price is trying to form another bottom around here. Okay, so if there is a breakout to the upside happens, then this will have been confirmed as a bottom. But for now, it's still in the formation cycle, so we wait for it to pan out. Looking at the trend line, the descending trend line got broken around here. We have a break of the descending trend line around here. Let me zoom out. Okay, break of descending trend line. It was broken. Now we are seeing something like a retest for it to go higher. Okay, for it to go higher. But are we going to see what happened here? I'm going to see it here again, where instead of it breaking trend line, retesting and then going higher, instead of it going higher, it now swept liquidity and then also swept liquidity. Is it going to happen here? It's going to sweep this liquidity here and then also sweep the liquidity here. What do I mean by that? Liquidity in the sense that we have stop losses here, and this has just been the stop loss there. The seller's stop losses around that side has just been swept. Okay, now buyers have started placing stop losses around here because we have a breakout. Okay, is price going to sweep the buyers stop losses as well before going up? If it goes up, then we will have had a triple bottom or inverted head and shoulder. Only time will tell. Let's quickly move down to a lower time frame, which is a 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is clearly bullish. Okay, it's bullish on the 1 hour time frame. What do I mean by bullish? Price has been going up, testing ascending trend line. We have a test here, and it respected that trend line. Tested, respected. I mean, it bounced at that point. Also bounced at this point. Okay, and this low is higher than this low. This low is also higher than this low. So price is forming higher lows. Okay, and structure is being broken. We have a structure here where we have this high. Okay, where we have this particular high being broken here. Okay, we have another high around here. Okay, it's a structure and got broken. Break of structure happened around here, which is this candle. This candle broke this structure. This candle broke this structure. We also have another structure here, and it just got broken here. Is this structure going to be broken as well? I'm going to have another break of structure because we have a structure here. Is it going to break? Just a minute. It's going to break. Is this going to break around here? Okay, what do I mean by break? This particular price is going to go up above this high. Okay, only time can tell, but for now, on the 1 hour time frame, it's bullish. It will turn bearish if price breaks, okay, this trend line and then break this low here. If price starts to drop, breaks this, then price will be contending with this low here and this low here. Okay, and if price continues down and breaks, then we have the formation of a bearish trend. Okay, but unless that happens, if price continues up, then we have reversal, then price will target this top around here. Okay, this particular top, price will target it. Okay, and if price breaks that top, that will be a break of structure to the upside. It could retrace a bit before going up. Okay, but all this will happen as time goes on. Something will happen. So let's look at the 30 minutes time frame. What do we have on the 30 minutes time frame? Of course, the 30 minutes time frame shows that price is aiming for this high. Price is aiming for this particular high. So we'll see what happens. Will price get to that point, or is it going to break this ascending trend line? Is it going to break it? If it breaks it, then we'll have had, then by that time we will have double top. Okay, by that time we have double top. But for now, price is still rotating, rovering around this area. Let's see what happens. We have a trend line, we have another trend line, ascending trend line around here. It's going to be broken. Let's see what happens. Of course, we have a descending trend line around here. So more like a triangle. Let's see what happens. Is try going to break this. Is it going to go to break this or drop to break that? Only time will tell. Okay, let's quickly drill down to a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, on the 15 minutes time, we can see something like a bullish flag. Something like a flag. This is a flagpole. There's the flagpole on the 15 minutes time frame, and this is the flag. Okay, so a break of this point will target the 403193 area. But if it fails, or if the flag continues to waver, then price might come to this point, might drop to this point. Looking at the progression. Okay, so that's that. But for now, it's like a flag, and there's an ascending. We have this ascending trend line. Okay, let's see if price going to respect it and go up. Okay, if it goes up, then we expect a break of structure to the top side. But for now, it's waving a flag. We have a top here. We have a top here, like a high. All right, we have a lower high. We have a low, and then we have a lower low. Okay, so if we draw the trend line, if price breaks this point, if it breaks this point, then we expect price to go up, and that will be a flag breakout, a bullish flag breakout. But if it fails and drops below this particular low, and that should be some source of concern for the buyers. Okay, but let's continue to monitor and watch what happens. Let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame, we have this trend line. We have this trend line. We have this trend line. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame. So zooming out 5 minutes time frame, we can see that the sellers are active. Look at pushing price down. The buyers only push price to Fibonacci retracement level. Push price to 61.8 before price dropped and breaks the low. So in as much as we are looking at a bullish flag, we also have to be cautious, because we are trading volatility 75 index, which is not influenced by news, but you are trading against the robot, you're trading against algorithm. Okay, algorithm will look for who is more in the market. Is it the bulls that are more in the market, or the bears that are more in the market, and try to sweep where the stop losses are located. So if we have more buyers in the market, algorithm will try to push price down. If we have more sellers in the market, algorithm will try to push price up. So as much as I'm expecting price to go up, price can just decide to go down and then continue to blow account or sweep stop losses. So you have to be cautious for now. It's bearish on the 5 minutes time frame. A break of this, which is already about to happen, break of this will drive back price to this point. Okay, drive price to this point. Okay, but if that fails, we have a descending trend line that will tell us when to buy. Okay, this descending trend line will tell us to buy if price breaks it to the upside. That will be our bullish flag breakout. So we'll buy only if price comes up somewhere around here. Price gets somewhere around 397,930. We'll start to buy. But for now, sell is more likely on the lower time frames. Okay, if you are selling, target somewhere around 393,017 for now. Okay, now if you are selling, your stop loss should be somewhere around here. Stop loss should be somewhere around 396,192. Okay, but for now, buying is not advised until we have a bullish flag breakout. Okay, if you are selling, your take profit should be somewhere around here, where we have the order block, this particular order block. You can take profit there. You can also take profit here. Also have another order block around there. You can take profit here. We have another order block around there. Okay, but if you have a bullish flag breakout, you can, if you have a bullish flag, if we have a bullish flag breakout where this ascending trend line is broken and we are buying, take profit could be somewhere around here first. Take profit could also be at this order block here. But for now, selling is advised on the 5 minute time frame. Let's look at the 1 minute time frame. Can we see anything that can guide us on what to scalp? Okay, on the 1 minute time frame, you can see that the bears, the sellers, are fully in charge. Sold price, bulls came in, pushed it a little bit above half the way. Sellers also came with the force. So the sellers force is there and it's obvious on the screen, but we have to be cautious. Cautious in the sense that this volatility 75 index, price came this way, but price was not able to take it to, if you look at how price, how the buyers were able to push price, buyers push price to 618. But here the buyers, how far was it pushed? They were only able to push price to just below 50% Fibonacci level, and that could be a reason to be cautious. Okay, that means the selling force is still strong. More sellers came in and like, no, you can't take it to 61.8 like you did before. You can only take it to less than 50%. And we have more force coming in trying to push price up. So, but in as much as we have more force trying to push price up, this is volatility 75 index. So price could just, sweep all the stop losses or all the forces lying around here. Price could have a double bottom. Okay, we might end up having a double bottom, and price could break the flag, the bullish flag. We have a bullish flag breakout. Okay, so that's that for today's video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, smash the subscribe button right away. Also smash the like button, drop comment below the video, smash the bell button below the video for notification. You can visit our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade volatility 75 index. You can also visit another website, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade volatility 75 index. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.